In this video, we take you through a helpful tool to easily manage your installation or service appointment. Manage Your Appointment is an app and web-based platform that allows customers to see information about a scheduled technician's visit. You will be asked for your preferred method of contact, and although home phone and email are options, text messaging provides all information in the most efficient way. You will be sent this link the day you create your order with options to reschedule the appointment, cancel the appointment, add information for your technician, and add to your calendar. The day before your tech visit, where you can confirm you will be home and again, add notes for your technician or cancel or reschedule the appointment. The day of your appointment, when you will receive notifications that your technician is on the way, including the tech's name and optional photo, when the tech is on site, and when the job has been completed. You can always log into the MyBell app and check the status of your upcoming appointment there as well. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.